Find studs, metal, and live electrical wiring with the Zircon MultiScanner L550 wall scanner. Always use a brand new 9-volt alkaline battery with an expiration date at least 3 years beyond the current date. It has 4 modes: Stud Scan to find the center of studs up to 3/4 of an inch deep, Deep Scan to find the center of studs up to 1.5 inches deep, Metal Scan to find metal up to 3 inches deep, and AC Scan to find live, unshielded electrical wiring up to 2 inches deep. It also features a backlit display for hard-to-see places, a low battery indicator, and wire warning detection to alert you to the presence of live AC in stud and metal scan modes. To find studs, select Stud Scan mode. To find deep studs, select Deep Scan mode. The display indicates when you're near and find a stud edge. The SpotLite Pointer shines when you found the center. To find metal, select Metal Scan. The target indication bars ramp as you approach metal, and the SpotLite Pointer shines when you're near the target. To narrow the results, refer to the interactive calibration method in the instructions. To find AC voltage, select AC Scan. The target indication bars ramp as you approach AC, and the SpotLite Pointer shines when you're near the target. To narrow the results, refer to the interactive calibration method in the instructions. Use to securely fasten shelves and cabinets, scan through tile, and find or avoid live AC. Buy your L550 today.